With swirling patterns, metallic sheens, and richly colored leaves, Rex begonias transform indoor spaces into vibrant displays of living art. These foliage plants thrive in bright, indirect light and appreciate gentle humidity, rewarding care with striking textures and hues. Perfect for shelves and tabletops, they add character effortlessly. Explore these remarkable Rex begonias and admire their unique indoor beauty. Begonia masoniana, Iron Cross Begonia. Bold and unforgettable, the Iron Cross Begonia is prized for its dramatic foliage marked by a deep chocolate brown cross set against bright, textured green. The quilted, slightly puckered leaves feel almost sculpted, giving the plant a rugged, architectural presence indoors. Native to southern China, it thrives in warm, humid rooms with soft, indirect light. Unlike many flowering houseplants, its real charm lies in the foliage, which looks hand-painted and exotic. Compact yet eye-catching, it suits tabletops and shelves where its pattern can be admired up close, adding a rare, graphic statement to any indoor plant collection. Begonia rexcultorum escargot, painted leaf begonia. Mesmerizing at first glance, escargot earns its name from the tight spiral that curls inward like a living seashell. Bands of silver, sage, and deep plum radiate from the center, creating a hypnotic pattern that shifts with the light. The leaf surface is softly textured, catching shadows that enhance its sculptural form. Compact and elegant, it thrives in bright, indirect light with gentle humidity, making it ideal for desks and display shelves. More artwork than houseplant, this Rex begonia draws the eye repeatedly, rewarding close inspection with intricate color transitions and a truly unforgettable, swirling foliage design. Begonia rexcultorum fireworks. Dramatic and electric, fireworks lives up to its name with jagged bursts of silver that radiate across deep plum leaves like sparks in motion. Fine veining traces the surface, adding depth and a metallic shimmer that changes throughout the day. The bold contrast gives this plant a regal presence, perfect for brightening shaded corners with living color. Compact yet commanding, it prefers indirect light and steady humidity to keep its hues vivid. More than foliage, fireworks feels like a frozen celebration on each leaf, turning any indoor setting into a striking botanical showcase. Begonia Amelia's kaleidoscope. Like a shifting mosaic of color, Amelia's kaleidoscope displays rings of lime, silver, rose, and deep green that seem to rearrange with every glance. The broad leaves carry a soft sheen and gentle texture, enhancing the layered pattern that gives this Rex begonia its name. In bright, indirect light, the tones appear almost luminous, creating a lively focal point indoors. Compact and expressive, it thrives with consistent moisture and light humidity. Each leaf feels like a tiny stained glass window, bringing artistic movement and vibrant energy to shelves, desks, and plant displays. Begonia rexcultorum burgundy velvet. Rich, moody tones define burgundy velvet, where deep wine-red leaves appear dusted with a soft, velvety sheen. Subtle silver highlights trace the edges and veins, adding quite contrast to the saturated color. The foliage feels plush and luxurious, giving this Rex begonia a warm, dramatic presence indoors. In bright, indirect light, the hues intensify, revealing layers of maroon and plum. Compact and refined, it thrives with gentle humidity and consistent care. Perfect for tabletops and shelves, this variety brings a sense of depth, elegance, and understated glamour to any indoor plant arrangement. Begonia chlorosticta. Dappled with luminous lime spots, this begonia looks as if it were misted with glowing paint across deep emerald leaves. The elongated foliage has a smooth, sateen finish that reflects light beautifully, making the pattern appear almost animated. Unlike many Rex hybrids, this species offers a sleeker, more natural elegance while still delivering striking contrast. It enjoys warm temperatures, steady humidity, and bright, indirect light to keep its markings vivid. Graceful yet eye-catching, it adds a refined, tropical character to indoor plant displays without overwhelming nearby companions. Begonia Solar Flare. Radiating warmth from its center, Solar Flare glows with rings of umber, copper, and rose set against dusky olive margins. The colors seem to pulse outward like sunlight through stained glass, giving each leaf a fiery depth. Fine veining and a gentle sheen add dimension, especially in bright, indirect light. Compact and expressive, it appreciates light, humidity, and even moisture to keep its tones vivid. Ideal for shelves and small tables, this Rex begonia brings a warm, luminous presence indoors, turning quiet corners into vibrant focal points with its glowing, sun-kissed foliage. Begonia solimutata. Shimmering like a gemstone, Begonia solimutata displays iridescent leaves that shift between emerald green and bronze as the light changes. The oval foliage is quilted with raised veins, creating a textured surface that enhances its metallic glow. Native to Brazil, this species thrives in warm, humid rooms with soft, indirect light. Its compact habit makes it perfect for terrariums or small indoor displays where the color play can be appreciated up close. Subtle yet mesmerizing, this begonia offers a living, light-responsive spectacle that feels both delicate and richly ornamental. Begonia Black Mamba. Dark and mysterious, Black Mamba unfurls near black leaves with a satin sheen that absorbs light and creates dramatic contrast indoors. Subtle undertones of deep plum and charcoal emerge along the veins, giving the foliage a layered, shadowy depth. The leaf edges ripple slightly, adding movement to its bold silhouette. In bright, indirect light, the surface reveals a quiet metallic glow. Compact and striking, it thrives with steady humidity and gentle care, making it a powerful statement plant for shelves and tabletops where its inky elegance can truly command attention. Begonia Belief Inca Flame. Vivid and energetic, Belief Inca Flame showcases blazing tones of crimson, coral, and rose that seem to glow from the center of each leaf. A faint silver misting and darker margins frame the fiery colors, adding contrast and depth. The broad, slightly textured foliage reflects light with a soft sheen, intensifying its warmth in bright, indirect settings. Compact and expressive, it appreciates gentle humidity and even moisture to keep its hues bold. Perfect for desks and shelves, this Rex begonia brings a lively burst of color that instantly enlivens indoor plant displays. Rex begonia Hybrid Merry Christmas. Bright bands of color sweep across the foliage of Merry Christmas, blending pine green, frosted silver, and rich cranberry into a festive, hand-painted display. The rounded leaves feel lightly textured, with fine veins that add depth beneath the vivid pattern. In soft, indirect light, the metallic sheen becomes more pronounced, giving the plant a lively presence indoors. It stays compact and tidy, perfect for shelves, desks, or small tables where details can be admired. With steady moisture and gentle humidity, this Rex begonia maintains its crisp contrast, offering year-round color, charm, and unmistakable ornamental appeal.